Hello everyone, my name is Jamie Kenworthy with United Real Estate Properties here in Eugene, Oregon and all of Lane County. Today we're going to be going over some home maintenance tips for the month of August. So let's get to it. The first one, deep clean your carpets. With the warm weather, now is a good time to give your carpets a good cleaning so they will dry quicker. Keep your windows open, let the warm breeze flow through your home and freshen your carpets. Clean, fresh carpets are a great way to get ready for the next season, which is fall. 2. Make sure you have several neighbors' contact info in case of emergencies. They are the closest ones physically to you and will be more than happy to help out, and I'm sure they would appreciate you offering to help out if they need anything. We are not islands and we need each other, so be sure to create a helpful, strong neighborhood community. Number 3. Clean and maintain bathroom exhaust fans. Cleaning your bathroom exhaust fans is an important home maintenance and safety task. Your bathroom fans help remove odors, excess moisture, humidity, and airborne pollutants. Number 4, manage flying pest problems. Late summer is when they tend to show up more. Walk the perimeter of your home, keeping an eye for areas where there are pools of moisture. Mosquitoes and bugs are drawn to these areas. Use patio mosquito repeller lanterns to keep mosquitoes and bugs away from you. Number 5, prune bushes, plants, and dead limbs. Dead tree limbs and branches pose a danger in the winter. Ice, weight of snow, and winter storms cause havoc and can cause these to break off. While it's warm and dry right now, is a good time to get outside and get rid of the dead tree limbs and overhanging branches. Clear away dead bushes and shrubs. Prune your shrubs and bushes now and have your yard ready for spring's growing season. Number 6, clean outdoor stone surfaces. Dust and grime tend to accumulate on stone walkways and patios. Give your outdoor stone surfaces some TLC and love. Number 7, give your home an electrical safety checkup. Electrical issues and the not so obvious electrical hazards can be a source of fires and can create havoc on other areas in your home. So be proactive and conduct an electrical safety checkup in your home. Number 8, inspect basement and crawl spaces for moisture. It's not uncommon to have moisture in your basement. However, moisture in your basement can be problematic and very bad news. Leaking pipes behind your walls, slow drips, sight unseen, and water seeping in areas that aren't in plain view can lead to problems from structural damage to airborne toxins. Number 9, inspect your roof. August is a good time to inspect your roof before fall and the cold weather arrives. Check your roof for integrity issues, loose shingles, damaged roof flashing, rust, and other issues that could affect your roof. Alright, that's it, and thank you for sticking around till the end. Remember, we have freebies down in the description box below, so check those out, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we post new videos every Friday. Thanks for watching.